In Kazakh culture, bread has always been more than food. It is one of our deepest values, a symbol of kindness, generosity, and human connection. Even in the hardest times, our people shared their last piece of bread. In times of war, both children and adults received only a tiny daily ration, a single piece of bread with one small cube of sugar. And still we shared. Today, in a world of abundance, it is hard to believe how our grandparents lived just 2 generations ago, but their gratitude lives in us. This is why, even now, if we see bread on the ground, we pick it up with respect, because every piece of bread carries memory, dignity, and the warmth of our people.